Ever seen those insanely cool pets in Adopt Me, glowing brighter than a disco ball? Yeah, those are neons. But how on earth do you get one? That's what we're diving into today. Buckle up, because this isn't your average pet collecting guide. Imagine this: you're strolling through the Adopt Me world, minding your own business, when suddenly, a flash of blinding light catches your eye. It's a neon pet, majestic and rare, leaving a trail of shimmering sparkles in its wake. You're instantly jealous, right? Well, today, I'm spilling the beans on how to snag one of these legendary creatures for yourself. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what makes neons so special. In Adopt Me, you start with a regular pet. But with a whole lot of effort, and maybe a little luck, you can evolve it into a neon. Think of it as a supercharged version of your favorite pet. They're not just visually stunning, they're also incredibly rare and highly sought after by other players. So, how do you actually transform your pet into a neon? It's a multi-step process that requires patience and a bit of strategy. Here's the breakdown. 1. The first step, trading. The foundation of neon pets lies in trading. You'll need to acquire 3 identical pets of the same species. For example, 3 golden retrievers, 3 kangaroos, or 3 robo-dogs. Trading in Adopt Me can be a bit of a wild card. You'll need to find players who are looking for specific pets or are willing to trade for yours. Use the trading hub, join trading servers, and chat with other players to find potential deals. Pro tip: the higher the demand for a pet, the easier it might be to trade for multiples. Keep an eye on what other players are actively seeking. 2. The fusion process. Once you've gathered your 3 identical pets, it's time for the fusion. Head over to the Neon Cave in Adopt Me. This mystical location is where the magic happens. Interact with the fusion machine and select the 3 identical pets you want to combine. Watch in awe as they merge together, emitting a dazzling light, and voila! You've created a neon pet. 3. Beyond Neon, Mega Neons. But wait, there's more. The journey doesn't stop at neon. You can further evolve your neon pet into a Mega Neon. This requires a similar process. You'll need to obtain 3 identical neon pets of the same species. Once you have 3 neons, head back to the Neon Cave and repeat the fusion process. The result? A breathtaking Mega Neon pet that will leave other players green with envy. 4. Tips and tricks for success. Trading can be tricky, so here are a few tips to increase your chances of success. Over-deliver, offer a slightly better pet or a small add-on to entice other players to trade with you. Be patient, don't get discouraged if you don't find a trade immediately. Keep searching and exploring different trading avenues. Join trading groups, connect with other players who are interested in trading. These groups can provide valuable information and opportunities. So there you have it. The secrets to obtaining those coveted neon and mega neon pets in Adopt Me. It's a journey that requires dedication, patience, and a bit of trading savvy. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.